Should PR campaigns be a mixture of news stories and data-driven pieces?
Yeah, I think definitely the way that the industry is going now, I think the lines are getting really, really blurred. And I think that you can use a really good campaign can have can drive links to get a really good sort of SEO benefits, but also if you want to create a news story and something that's going to be shared worldwide, you can still do that. But in doing that, you're also improving SEO rankings from all the links that you're getting. And a lot of the times as well, it's not about links from the BBC or CNN. Clients and companies are sort of coming to us and saying, we want to make sure that our campaigns are really engaged with, they're engaged with on social media. And we're often finding that hitting niche sites or hitting regional sites that's really, really relevant to our client drives more traffic to their website, or it drives more engagement on social media more than a link in the BBC does that might be glanced over by 100 people. But then you could have less people really engage with a story on a regional site, and it ends up referring far more traffic. So I think blurring the lines between the two is becoming more common, and it's probably, I think, the way that the industry is going to go in the future.